welcome to Minimouse Tech Word Tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to add spacing between lines. So I have pre-opened a Word document for you guys. So what we're going to do is we're going to highlight or we are going to select the whole paragraph. And under the Home tab section, there is a ribbon called Paragraph. On Paragraph ribbon, there's an option called line spacing. We're going to click the arrow down on the line spacing. Like the paragraph is on a single space right now. So I'm going to double space it out. So selecting the double space 2.0 is going to give us double spacing to the paragraph. In case if you feel double spacing is not enough for you, you want add more spacing. Again, you can always go back to the line spacing drop down menu and select 2.0, 2.5 or 3.0 on the line spacing, and it will increase the spacing. And if you want to go back to the single space again, you can always select the paragraph and click on single spacing, and it will bring you back to the normal single spacing paragraph. So guys, this marks the end of our Microsoft spacing tutorial. Thank you.